I'm here with Kelley Wright, managing editor of IQTrends.com, and a lot of the stocks and investments that they share with their subscribers is dividend-based. So
Correct.
What's the importance of dividends? How do you work it into your analysis?
Sure. Look, there's over 15,000 publicly traded companies on all the various stock exchanges. Not all of them are good. So you have to have a mechanism to find, to separate the good from the bad and the ugly. So we developed these 6 criterions back in 1966. Very simple stuff. Nothing. There's no rocket science or anything. But what it does is it filters out that 15,000 to about 275, 280 stocks. So then we take a look at each one of them individually, plot them on a graph, and we find what their dividend yields were at their peak prices and at their bottom prices.
All of the stocks are dividend-paying stocks?
They have to. 25 years of uninterrupted dividends.
Okay.
Okay. And what we have found about this group of stocks is that they all have this shared characteristic. They tend to trade between 2 very distinct repetitive dividend yields.
Right.
So, all things being equal, we know when these really high-quality stocks offer a good value because their price is low, but their yield is repetitively high. And then we know when to sell them because their price is high and their yield is at a repetitive low area.
Sure. So what's the importance of dividends, though? Or why is that so important for a quality stock, for an investment quality trend?
Well, dividends are a company policy.
Right.
They have to be voted on by the board of directors. Why is that important? A board of directors is not going to vote a dividend unless they know their earnings are there and that they can support it. They don't want the egg on their face.
Right.
Okay. So dividends also are about the best evidence that you can have that a company is actually earning money. You can't pay out from that which you do not have. It's very simple. So a lot of my peers they're always talking about earnings. If you want to know if a company's got earnings, you see if they're paying dividends or not. All right. And then if you look at a rising dividend trend, what does that tell you? It tells you the company's earnings are going up because they can't increase the dividend if their earnings aren't going up. And earnings and dividends also provide a floor of safety underneath the stock. If we get into a bad market, everyone gets scared, their hair's on fire, they start selling. It's amazing. A lot of these really high quality stocks, they'll drop to an extent, but then their dividend yield hits an area where everyone all of a sudden goes, oh my God, look at XYZ and look at the yield that it's paying it. Absolutely. So, it's a floor safety and, the dividends, they basically just tell you when to buy, sell, or hold.
Excellent. Thanks very much.
All right.
Thanks for joining us.